Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your account location on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up Roblox. Going to head over to roblox.com, and then from there we're going to make sure to sign in as well. So I should already be signed in. Yep, I'm already signed here on the top right hand corner. Alright, so the first thing we need to do from there is click onto the gear icon, which is settings. Click into settings. And then in account info, if we scroll down, you'll see my account location is Australia. And now if you're like me and you cannot change your account location because there's no drop down menu, you can see on the top here, I can click here, there, but there's no option to change it. What we can do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the help button. Now this is going to take you over to Roblox support. And now once you're over on this page, we want to click onto where it says a Roblox account. I need help with my account. Now once you're on this page, you're going to see search our articles. So from here, click into it and then type in location. Then click onto under Roblox account settings, account location. Once you're on this page, we want to scroll down and we need to contact this Roblox support team. And now under where it says how do I change my account location, if you would like to submit a request to change your account location, please contact Roblox customer support through the support form. So go ahead and click on that button like so. And now we need to fill out this contact information. So fill out your username, your first name, which is optional, your email address, confirm your email address. And then under it says issue details, what device are you having issues on? Click onto that. For my, just choose which one best describes, say PC, and then type of help category. Click into that. Now what I suggest where it says type of help, go ahead and click on how to, and then select, just do general, I reckon is probably the best way. And now description of the issue. So you just pretty much say, hey, I would like to change my account location from insert your location to your new location. So I'll just write down something similar here. Now once you're done with this, just go ahead and click on continue. And then be sure to check your email. Generally they get back to you within a few hours to 24 to 48 hours in my experience with Roblox. So they're not too bad on that side of things. If you still haven't heard from them, just reach out to their customer support team again. And that's it for this video guys, how to change your account location inside Roblox.